In the early morning light, the journey begins. Alex flips the sign to open, the espresso machine hums to life, and the coffee beans are arranged with meticulous care. It's a symphony in the making, a symphony of coffee. Customers start to trickle in, and with each order, Alex dives into a lively exchange of coffee preferences. Double shot espressos, almond milk lattes. Every cup is a personalized masterpiece, a testament to Alex's commitment to their craft. The art of coffee doesn't stop at taste. With steamed milk swirling gracefully, Alex turns every cup into a canvas. Regulars don't just come for their caffeine fix, but to marvel at the intricate latte art that graces their morning brew. When the morning rush hits, the dance begins. Amid the chaos, Alex weaves through, crafting each order with precision, all while maintaining a warm smile. It's a ballet of beans and brews, a testament to Alex's skill and dedication. During quieter moments, the coffee shop transforms into a hub of knowledge. Alex shares tales of coffee origins and extraction methods with co-workers, fostering a sense of camaraderie and shared passion. As the day winds down, the coffee shop echoes with the quiet satisfaction of a day well brewed. Alex reflects on the artistry and connections formed over countless cups. The aroma of coffee lingers, a testament to the stories shared and the dreams brewed in the heart of the coffee shop. Closing time. The espresso machine is switched off. Empty cups and satisfied faces are left behind. They are reminders of a day filled with passion, connection, and the simple joy of brewing the perfect cup. Until tomorrow, when the symphony begins anew. This is Alex, a barista, an artist, a dreamer, and this is their world, one cup at a time.